Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe LS. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and window defogger.